On the left of your screen, a police officer dodges flying rocks and sticks as mayhem erupts around him. Violence has turned Toronto's financial district, Bay and King, into a dangerous riot zone.
Here at Bay and King, police have lost all control. We're in the heart of the financial district. A police car has just been torched.
Police watch helplessly as their cruisers burn in the intersection. Multiple explosions can be heard. The mayhem erupted after the group split off from a peaceful labor demonstration. Here, a Scotiabank is trashed. An elderly security guard can only survey the damage, knowing the impossibility of his situation. We watch as a Starbucks is destroyed.
I want to see. Are you okay?
No, yeah.
Okay. Enough.
Not a good spot.